Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that kepto token. Now before start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, kepto is a real world assets protocol built on Robinhood chain that brings tokenized stocks, property, invoices and bonds full on chain with cryptographic proof of backing. Every tokenized share is minted through secure mint a contract enforced invariant ensuring supply ever exceeds attested reserves, making 1:1 backing a protocol rule, not a promise. Settled in KEP Capto enables 24/7 permissionless trading, on-chain dividend distribution, verifiable storage with Merkle committed proofs, and cross-chain abstraction via Chainlink CCIP. No custodian, no quarterly PDFs, just probable programmable ownership of real assets. Capto token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion KEP token. KEP token is listed on Uniswap, V2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.